Hey guys, we're sitting here driving and discussing what some of those topics that many people don't know. So I want to touch on oils. What are the oils to avoid and what are the oils that you should be consuming? Let's go through them very, very quickly. The oils to be avoiding include vegetable oil, canola oil, any hydrogenated oils or partially hydrogenated vegetable oils. If you will look at the labels of any crackers, chips, cookies, you name it, you will usually find that in the ingredient list. What are the oils you should be doing?
Wait, why? Why are those ones bad?
Why? Because they are what make a product shelf stable. The molecular composition has been changed so that, do you really want me to go in the history?
Yeah.
Let's go in the history. Okay. The history is that how did we get electricity before electricity came? How did we get light? What did they use?
Candles.
Candles, exactly.
Oil lamps.
That's the exact oil that they used to make candles. Well, what happened when electricity was created? All of a sudden, an industry was almost bankrupt. So they had to quickly find another use for this type of oil. Is this making sense? So it's a molecular compound shift. It's not supposed to go in the human body, but they figured out that it would make foods more shelf stable. So therefore, if you were a company owner and you were selling products, would you want your products to last longer so you could get the profit out of them if people weren't buying them in like 1 month? You would want that, right? Because then you can make more money. You're not going to lose that in lost product. And so companies started using this unstable for the body but stable for the shelves oil to preserve all of these chips, cookies, and crackers.
They saturate the molecular chain of the fat with another hydrogen so it doesn't bend.
Yep.
And so there's more compacted into there and that's not natural to your body.
Absolutely. Well, and there's an extra ion. And you know chemistry more than I do. But when there is, the reason it's unstable is because if you guys picture this molecular compound like this, and there's one just out here, it's not in this full ring, that's what makes it unstable for the body. That creates a free radical. Free radicals in your body can attach to tissues or organs that they're not supposed to, creates inflammation, and inflammation is the root cause of all disease. That's when it starts the domino effect of breakdown in the body. That's why we see so many diseases that all stem back to potentially a similar root cause. So those are the oils we want to avoid. So instead, the oils we do want to be consuming, of course, everything in moderation, and in the Power of Foods Lifestyle, I teach you the principles of when to be eating these fats and what to combine them with, because that matters. Things like olive oil, 100% extra virgin, cold pressed olive oil. We actually did a class in Spain and learned, we were out in the vineyard, we learned about how they do the cold pressing of the quality olive oil that we should be consuming. It's wonderful. It should not be cooked at a high heat though. Keep it to a lower smoke point. Don't ever take an olive oil above medium on your stove. Next is going to be avocado oil. Avocado oil does have a higher smoke point. It's also really delicious on salads. It's a great dip. It's great. I use it in stir fries. I use it to cook scrambled eggs in, etc. And then we've got our coconut oil, of course. Many people kind of, they hail coconut oil as the supreme king chief of all oils. No, it's a good oil, but it's kind of just in line with the other two that I just mentioned. So, of course, you want it to be a non-refined. You want it to be a virgin and very high-quality organic coconut oil. And then we get into our grass-fed butter. Wonderful oil to be using. Yes, it's perfectly fine to be doing butter. Of course, you need to learn the principles of how much and what to combine it with over at Power Foods Lifestyle. And then ghee is a great non-lactose containing butter-like substance. Now, personally, I don't do dairy. However, I don't have a problem with butter because the lactose content is so small. However, if you notice that your body does have a reaction, of course, you have to always listen to your body first and foremost, and that's great to listen to. Any other oils you want me to mention or go into?
What were the ones we saw in the chips? Sunflower oil?
Yeah, we saw sunflower oil is a good one. Palm oil is a good one. I wouldn't say they're great, like to always be doing, but they're a better alternative to these hydrogenated oils that are, just the difference in a tortilla chip. If you're looking at tortilla chips, look for something more with a palm oil or an olive oil or a sunflower oil as opposed to rapeseed oil. Some people think I say that wrong. No, it is called rapeseed oil. Okay, it's not grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a totally different oil. Rapeseed oil is a bad oil. Grapeseed oil, good oil. Okay, what are the other ones? think we've touched on most of them. If you guys have a question, just leave it below. Of course, I would love to answer that and connect with you. So thanks for being here, learning more about your oils and taking that step to better powering your body. Take it 1 meal, 1 workout, 1 day at a time.